This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth headset to your Android phone. So if you got something like this, one of these earpods, AirPod things, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is go to settings in the top right corner, go to down, go to connect devices, Bluetooth pairing, go to pair new device, go to your headset now, open up the case. If you have the AirPods, you might have a button on the back here you have to hold down for like 5 seconds and that'll put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. But with most of these, you just have to take them out. If they're charged up fully, you should see this blue light blinking. That's an indication they're going to be connecting and into the Bluetooth pairing mode, etc. But just wait for them to show up under pairing device. You might have to press scan too if you have a Samsung. But here they are, JBL Vibe Beam. I can just select them. I can allow for calls and I can go to pair now. If they are not showing up on your device, this is probably because they're connected to a previous device. They might be popping up on a computer that you had them connected to. It could be a different phone. It could be your Nintendo Switch. So you want to go to that previous device and disconnect them. Once you forget them from that device, they should be back in the Bluetooth pairing mode. So if that makes any sense, you can just swipe down from the top, locate them under Bluetooth, and there is an option under here to forget it. So we can go to here, and you can see you want to go to forget. If you go to disconnect, that's just going to turn them off. So I can turn them off right now, it's disconnected. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.